Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Moni, and if you're a returning subscriber, girl, how you been? I don't know, it's been forever, but I've been busy, and I've changed my hair once again. Eyes blonde. Not hating it. So this video today, guys, is sponsored by Plushe. They are an online retailer, and they do have plus size clothing, and let me tell you, girl, they got cute options because I'm about to show you what I got. But they essentially just sent me a quick email like, hey, do you mind doing a review, honest opinions, as always, of some of our items. So I picked a few things and I'm really excited to show you guys. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I got. Cause girl, it's a goodie. Okay, y'all, so this is the first pick. It's this really gorgeous, yes, see-through. That's the whole point. Live your life, okay? Live your life. Put on a cute bra, or if you need to, put a cami, or you can even do one of those shapewears with the built-in bra so you can be extra comfortable underneath it. But just live your life. It's see-through. It's a gorgeous blouse that has like a silk lining and then a see-through mesh lining. It is so comfortable, and I can never usually close the top button of any kind of shirt. This closes, so yay me. You can have it tucked in or loose, but it's very flowy. If you want a reference of sizes, I will put the size that I purchased down below. I'm pretty sure I got this in a 3XL, which is equivalent to a US 18. Every item on their website does have a unique sizing chart, so just reference that. Make sure you know your measurements. It makes online shopping so much easier, so you don't have to really guess of what size to get. Just know your measurements, and then you can get the size that's perfect for you. But I absolutely love this. I can see this being tucked in with a skirt or like high-waisted jeans. Oh, I love it. It has the poofy little sleeve. It's super comfortable, very flowy. If you're afraid of it being like cold because it is see-through, just wear a really cute like tailored blazer with it. But I really dig this. You can even do unbuttoned, you know, and then you can really accessorize it, wear a bunch of necklaces with it. Or if you really want to be punk, like there's a part of me that wants to pull in that punk little kid that I was in high school and wear a tie with this. Well, you do you, but I love this. I like this for a fun little cute date night. Like, hey, yeah, you can see my bra. That's the whole point. But I'll have the link to this and all the other items I'm going to try on down below, including the size that I purchased. But I'm pretty sure I got everything in a US 18, which on their site is a 3XL. But yes, on to the next one, and trust me, it's so cute, the next one. Okay, friends, so this is the beautiful dark green floral dress. It has a really delicate little flower design on it. It has this great little ruffle here on the chest. Plenty of room, so if you're larger busted, no worries. There's an elastic band waist, including the arms, which is really nice because some girls, you know, you got the big arms and you gotta make sure it fits. It's stretchy, and I just love the design of it as well. Like the sleeves aren't too short and they're not too puffy, but still enough to like give the dress a little oomph. It's totally giving me like little girl on the prairie vibes, which is totally my aesthetic. You can definitely wear these with heels if you wanted to, or cute little sneakers. I also like it that it's work friendly. Like if I had like a work function, totally can wear this. I love this. And there's also a little ruffle here in the bottom as well. It's flowy and lightweight, really nice for summer date night, or if you want to go to church, or you just want to look cute on a Sunday or a Saturday. But I really like this. What you can do once it starts getting a little chillier outside, you can actually, with dresses of this length specifically, I like wearing them with like dress length cardigan, because it also gives me like little fall vibes. What you can do is partner this up also with some boots, and then just make sure whatever sweater that you are wearing it, make sure that there are socks in the boots that match it, and it's like, oh, it's a fall dreams, okay guys, trust me. And I got this in a size 18, 3XL. The link will be down below. Okay, y'all, there is no escaping leopard print this year, and this dress is no exception. I love this. I don't know how else to explain how this dress makes me feel. It makes me feel like a sexy adult, which one, I am sexy, and two, I am an adult, but this is, it's like one of those like, oh, she a grown up, but she foxy. I love the cut of this dress. So it has like the wrap, but then it's cinched here. That's also elastic. And again, if you are larger busted, there's plenty of room, but I'm kind of modest when it comes to the bust. So it just kind of flows, which I like the vibe that's giving me. Also has the cinched wrist that's also elastic, so no worries there. But it just gives it like this flowy, like peekaboo, not showing too much. Like, oh my God, I love it. And I love this print. There's also like another little mid ruffle here in the skirt, but like, I am loving this. Like, I'm going to make my boyfriend take me out to dinner and I'm wearing this dress. Just saying. Maybe it's also because with the blonde hair, like I love it. And it's a darker color as well, but it fits so comfortably because of the elastic band, and it's just flowy. You can wear these with a really cute pair of booties. You can wear flats as well. Never think you have to wear heels to be cute or sexy. You can wear flats, it's fine. You can wear this with tights as well if you want to be extra modest, but it hits right at the knee. I got this in the 3XL, which is equivalent to a size US 18 on their website. But with the smoky eye, get lost. And I like it too, since you have your neck exposed, you can wear like a really pretty necklace as well. But I am loving this. I thought I was kind of done with like the whole leopard print, but I changed my mind. Like, I'm working this dress. This is my favorite one. Okay, now this dress is so much fun because I'm obsessed with, one, the cut, two, the floral print, and just like, it's giving me such like 90s vibe, like kind of oversized, fun and flowy, like free child, I don't care vibes. But from a distance, it does look like it's a black with like a bunch of colorful flowers on it, but it's actually this really pretty dark green and a bunch of colorful flowers, and I love it. These sleeves are so flowy. There are buttons. I probably would unbutton it just to have a little bit more fun. It isn't a stretchy thing, but a stretchy waist, but it is oversized, so there's a lot of give in it. And then the ruffled tiered skirt, and it's just so like flowy and comfortable. I love it. It's like, you know, some dresses you can kind of feel like too dressy, and like, I'm just trying to have a casual day. This is this dress. It's just so much fun, like with the print and everything. I know a lot of people stay away from like crazy prints, but like when you see this dress, you can't help but just be happy. Like, I can't help and just be happy. Like, look at me. I'm a freaking flower child. I love it. I'm also really digging it. I'm like, if you can't tell, I love anything with movement, and this is just doing it for me. I got this in a size 18, which is equivalent to 3XL on their website. Again, links will be down below. I love this, guys. I love this so much. This is like the epitome of like summer dress, and there's a few more weeks left of summer, so might as well get it. Okay, so I may have left the best for last. It's this gorgeous baby blue, sky blue dress that just gives me all the Alice in Wonderland vibes. Now, the reason I love this dress is I love the texture of it. So they have these polka dots that are actually, I don't even know what you would call this. There's textured polka dots on this dress, right? Long sleeves with a little ruffle. There's also this really cute little side cut. There's a belt. You can tie it anywhere, but I tied it here. And then the wrap chest area as well. I just like the dimension of the polka dot, the textured polka dots. It just gives the dress a little oomph. But I don't know about you, this seems like the most perfect like wedding date dress. Am I wrong or am I wrong? I'm obsessed with the color. I love the cut, I love everything. I think I feel so cute in this. It's super comfortable. The elastic waist makes it very comfortable. You can tie this in the back, you can tie in the front, side, whatever. I did through the side. Again, it still gives you a lot of room if you're larger busted. And then the sleeves are not stretchy, but it's very comfortable. A nice cut too, it's not too short, not too long. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then this is the back as well. Not itchy, very comfortable. It's still flowy, and then again, I just don't think you can beat the color. It's just so vibrant. I think a lot of people forget to like put blue in their wardrobe. It's so incredible. Like, I feel like Cinderella in this. I love it. Again, I'm always a big advocate for, if you don't like wearing heels, you do not need to wear heels. Especially as being a big girl and just being taller in general. Oh, if I didn't mention this before, I'm so sorry. I'm 5'8", 5'9" on a good day, which is kind of tall nowadays. I don't like wearing heels. Like, I can wear them for a couple of hours. I can wear it all night if I'm drinking tequila. But try don't do that, okay? But you can wear sandals, you can wear sneakers, you can wear flats. Like, it's okay. You're gonna still look beautiful, you're still gonna look sexy, feel sexy, because you're gonna feel comfortable, okay? Because I hate it when I see people go to parties and like they stumble around. Like, you cannot walk in those shoes, take them off. Take them off. Just be comfortable. Also, if you don't like showing your legs, you can wear this with tights. There's no rules. Okay? Just live your life, guys. Live your life. So that is the end of the haul. I want to give a huge shout out to Plushe for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the things I showed you. I genuinely loved everything I got. Like, everything fit beautifully. Everything was amazing quality. Shipping was really fast. It came like within a week. Everything comes packaged in like their own baggies, so everything is nice and folded and like beautiful presentation. And just the clothes in general, like, so freaking cute. I still have the blue dress on because I feel so pretty. I love it. And I also think it accentuates my eyes. Yes. Again, I'll have all the links to all the items down below. Again, thanks to Plushe for sponsoring this video. Follow me, guys, on Instagram, especially on Snapchat. I'm very active on Snapchat. I'll have that link down below, but it should just be Yoitsmoni if you want to look real quick, but I have actual links down below. Again, guys, thank you for all your love and support. I'm looking forward to making more videos, so subscribe and like this video. Until next time, guys, I love you. Bye.